It is important because we can inform, or scientists can inform the public about their activities in a simple and accessible manner. It is important because the public can engage in activities like citizen science, doing surveys of biodiversity, protecting biodiversity, and other type of activities. So it's important for scientists to do public engagement. The highlights of this workshop were building relationships with my colleagues that I didn't know, and being able to learn how to tell a story about the life of a colleague, why they become a scientist, for example. I really enjoy the way that people were giving a storytelling there in front of the others, and we learned a lot about that today. Something that I really liked from this workshop was the venue, was in the Botanic Gardens in Bogota. This place transformed me or take me to my childhood in Fusagasugá when I was a child, traveling through the mountains and playing with my friends in the forest and the fresh air. I think that was a really nice venue to have this workshop.